Right guys, in this video you're going to learn how to make money with affiliate marketing. Now, I've been doing this 20 years and I see a lot of people failing at affiliate marketing as well as some people succeeding, obviously. And there's a very good reason why people fail at affiliate marketing. It's because they're in the wrong system, they're following the wrong advice, or they're just not taking action, okay? Now, before I show you one of the best programs to get involved with, hit that like, hit the subscribe, and we'll dive right in. Now, firstly, you might be wondering, can I really make money with affiliate marketing? Well, the answer to that is yes. As I'm recording this, I am sat in Bali. I moved here about 6 weeks ago from the UK. And it is all funded by affiliate marketing commissions. In fact, bulk of it is funded by 2 affiliate programs. The one of them I'm going to show you in a minute, and I'll give you a link to the other one at the end of the video. It's November now. To be honest, I haven't done a lot of work since July. Yes, affiliate marketing does pay. Look, I'm in Bali. I'm having the time of my life and it's fantastic, and there's no reason why you can't do the same. If you want to do the same, I will help you do exactly that, but you have to follow some steps, okay? Now, one of the programs I recommend highly is called OLSP Academy. Now, this is my back office, and so far I've earned over $72,000, okay? OLSP Academy was created by a guy called Wayne Crowe. Now, I have met Wayne several times. This is with me and Wayne together here, and he is a fantastic guy. This guy is a machine. He has earned millions in affiliate marketing commissions. This guy knows his stuff. And not only that, he's one of the most genuine guys you will ever meet. And I've met him, and I assure you, he's genuine, all right? He pushes his members to make money. He bends over backwards for his members to make money. He's relentless about it. I've never seen anybody in any other program putting as much effort into their members than he does. A lot of the other programs, all they're worried about is stuff in their own pockets. Okay, they shove hard ticket stuff down you, charge you $1,000 for some videos, and good luck if you get any help from them. Okay, this is not one of those programs. This is free to join. All right, you can start your academy training for free. So I'll drop a link below. Get signed up for free. Go through the videos. You come to the academy training. This is in your back office. Go through these 5 units, follow them, and take action. All right. You might be wondering, can you lose money with affiliate marketing? Well, yes, you can. I'll be straight with you. You can. However, it doesn't have to be that way. Stay away. If you're a beginner, stay away from paid traffic. A lot of people think they can just buy some solo ad traffic or set up a Google Ads campaign, a Facebook campaign, and all that traffic will convert. It doesn't work like that. You need tracking, you need to track your conversions, you need to analyze your data, you need to spend fair bits of money just to get that data in, so you always start campaigns at a loss anyway. Guys, honestly, if you're a beginner in this game, stay away from paid traffic. Start with the free traffic methods. Free traffic methods do work, and they do not have to be slow. In fact, one of my main traffic sources, I get results very quickly, and I get results every time I put an ad out. Okay, it is a gold mine, and when you join my team, I will tell you what it is. I will even give you the software that automates it. All right. Everybody else pays $67 a month for this software. You will get it free as long as you're on my team. I'll give you the details. So sign up below and contact me, and I'll give you the details how to get hold of it. All right. Anyway, back to OLSP Academy. Guys, follow the training videos. If you get stuck on anything, contact me. If you want to make money, affiliate marketing, start here. It is fantastic. There's no bullshit. It is just real stuff that works. Okay, they have a Facebook group where they have question and answers every week. You can get all the help you want. Not only will I help you, other members will help you. There's a good community. I also have my own Facebook group just for my team members, so people can get more personal help in there, or they can contact me direct through Facebook. But get involved, but take action. The only reason people do not make money in this industry is because they do not take action on what they've learned. There's no point in watching a load of videos and thinking you're done. You've got to take action on those videos to make the money. All right, OLSP do the bulk of the work for you. They even generate leads for you. All right, but you have to do some work yourself. All right, if you want to live the lifestyle that I've got, I will help you do it. I will help you get there. If you want to live in Bali or wherever you want to live, and not worry about your boss, if you want to sack your boss off, stick to it. I'll help you get there. Now, there is another program that I am involved with, and it is absolutely fantastic. It's another video. The video will pop up here. It'll be here, okay. Click on that video and watch that one. This one is 100% passive income. It's very easy to set up. You do need money to start with, to see the real money coming in. It earns me thousands a month on autopilot, on complete autopilot. Just set it up and pretty much forget it. It's about as close to push button profits as you can get. Now, I don't say that lightly, and that's not some hyped up scammy line. As you'll see in the video, I get real results with that program, and it's absolutely fantastic. So click the links below for if you want to get involved with OLSP Academy. If you want to check out the other video, click on that. If you've got any questions, just drop them in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. All right.